Hi, we'd like to welcome you guys from hazara.com.pk. उनकी प्लेटफॉर्म से आप सबको मैं खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। इधर मैं इस वक्त फ्रंटियर मेडिकल कॉलेज की एंट्रेंस पे खड़ा हूँ और आप लोगों को वी लाइक टू से वेलकम फ्रॉम दी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ HCP hazara.com.pk। मेरा नाम उमर अमीन है, डॉक्टर उमर अमीन, एंड हम फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट ऑफ फ्रंटियर मेडिकल कॉलेज। और आप लोगों के लिए एक ज़बरदस्त किस्म की और बहुत ही अच्छी और इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लोगों की खिदमत में हाजिर करना चाहता हूँ। और वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ये है कि हम इधर शहीना जमील हॉस्पिटल में एक सर्जिकल कैंप हमने लगाया हुआ है, जिसके अंदर 26 अक्टूबर से लेके और 1 नवंबर तक हम सर्जिकल जितनी भी सर्विसेज हैं हम फ्री सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं उन पेशेंट्स के लिए जिनको दुखी इंसानियत की खिदमत के खातिर, जिन लोगों को कोई सर्जिकल प्रॉब्लम है, जिनको कोई सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है। यहाँ पर शहीना जमील हॉस्पिटल पे हम ये कैंप हमने लगा दिया हुआ है और ये कैंप 26 अक्टूबर टिल नवंबर 1 तक रहेगा। और जिन लोगों को कोई सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर्स हैं, सर्जिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो इधर आ सकते हैं, उनका बिल्कुल मुफ्त इलाज होगा। और आप लोगों से अर्ज़ है कि आप इस ज़बरदस्त ऑफ़र का मुफ्त फ़ायदा उठाएं, अच्छा फ़ायदा उठाएं और आके इधर एडमिट करें। इंशाल्लाह ताला आपका इलाज बिल्कुल मुफ्त होगा और आपकी खिदमत और आपकी टेक केयर इंशाल्लाह बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल की जाएगी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, like you guys welcome on behalf of HCP. Right now we are here at Frontier Medical College office. We are here with the Manager Director of Frontier Medical College as well as Shahina Jameel Hospital, Dr. Asad Khan. And I would like to ask him a few questions about the free surgical camp that's being held at Frontier Medical College at Shahina Jameel Hospital. Sir, kindly please, I would like to ask you, my first question is, what type of services are being offered here at the Shahina Jameel Hospital?
In general, for these in this hospital, we are providing all the basic services to the patients and the community of Aptabad, in particular, and Hazara division in general. And we provide free surgical services, medical services, ophthalmology, ENT, peds, and gynecology. Other than that, all the minor services which we have, dermatology, orthopedics, and most of the emergency cases we deal here 24 hours a day.
I would like to ask you, sir, what are the objectives of Shahina Jameel Hospital of this free surgical camp that is being held here?
Well, for a free surgical camp, normally this is a charity hospital, so all the services provided here are normally free. But in particular, for this week, from 26th to 1st of November, we are providing free surgical services which include free medicines and free consultations, and along with the free test, laboratory test, x-rays, everything free. And the main purpose for this surgical camp is that throughout the year, Frontier Medical College and Shahina Jameel Hospital, we provide free medical camps in far-flung areas of Hazara division. But this time, we thought something of different in nature, and we thought that why not everyone goes for all the NGOs, other hospitals, other institutes, they go for private medical camps and free medical camps. But this time we thought that we should do something different, and instead of medical camp, we thought we should go for a surgical camp. The difference between a medical and a surgical camp is that in medical camp, the doctors go and they investigate the patients on the spot in their village, and they do consultations and they refer them to the hospital if further treatment is required. In surgical camp, all the patients, they have to come to the hospital, and we provide free surgeries. Now, as we cannot perform surgeries if we don't have operation theaters, like we cannot do that in far-flung areas. So that's why the surgical, this is the first time there is ever a surgical camp. I think in Pakistan it's for the first time that somewhere a surgical camp is being held, and it's completely free for everyone. So people don't think that we are doing this free surgical service to make profit of some kind. It's completely free. The rooms, the wards, tests, everything is completely free in this. So the main objective is the same charity work, but in a different style, in which the benefit and the comfort is given to the patient, that he should come and avail all these services.
Thank you. Sir, my next question would be, sir, what type of patients are you expecting here to come at this hospital, in this surgical camp?
Well, in the surgical camp, we have had all different kinds of surgical cases, and patients have shown up. And most commonly, we have now these are medical terms. You can say we have hernia patients, and we have all the basic appendicitis, and there are so much I cannot even name all of them. But basically, it's all the general surgery operations, like not specific surgery, like if you need a cardiac bypass or neurosurgery, not that kind of service, because that's way too expensive for even one person. But all the general surgeries which are done either in local anesthesia or general anesthesia are provided here for free.
Thank you, sir. So this is the free surgical camp that is being held at Frontier Medical College, and it's benefiting thousands and thousands of people. Yes, sir. Sir, my next question would be, sir, of course, these services that you're providing are really, really expensive, the anesthetic, the medicines, the ward, for the patient to stay in the room, and the OT facilities. And of course, you have to pay the doctors who are actually 24 hours working around the clock providing these services, general surgical services. Sir, I was wondering, where is the fund coming from for these services?
Well, most of all the cases, you're right that they're very expensive, and to maintain all this non-stop running the operation theatre non-stop 24/7 is a very expensive thing. Basically, all the funding is coming from the chairman of the hospital and the college, Professor Dr. AJ Khan. He's providing everything, all the finances, just to serve the ailing humanity of this region and the whole of Hazara division in particular.
Thank you, sir. Sir, what kind of message would you give out to the people who are actually watching this interview?
Well, I've worked with Professor Dr. AJ Khan for almost now like 3 years. I'm working here with him, and I would give the same message to the people which he always gives me, is only two things. One is to serve the ailing humanity, and the second is that honesty is the best policy. If you go by these rules, he says that I'll be more successful than him. So,
thank you, sir. So, this was all at the Frontier Medical College at Shaheen Ajmel, in which these free surgical services are being provided, and therefore the benefit of the people, and thousands of people are benefiting from this project. We already had about 600 people who have already admitted here, and out of that we have performed almost 250 surgeries in just 2-3 days, and we have doctors working right around the clock 24/7 and providing the best services as in best possible way as they possibly can. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Now we have finally reached towards the end of our show, and now we know this free surgical camp, which was being held at Shaheen Ajmel Hospital, and what we have seen different OTs, and we have seen different procedures that were being taken out at the OTs. We have seen that these procedures, they were done in a sterilized way, in the cleanest, best possible way that can be provided by the administration here at Shaheen Ajmel Hospital. We have viewed the OTs, we have seen the different beds that were being taken out at the OT, different surgical procedures. The surgical instruments were being sterilized at the maximum possible way, maximum sterile possible way, as the maximum they possibly can be. They are clean. They have provided one of the greatest services here at Shaheen Ajmel Hospital, and we have seen the OTs. The OTs are completely sterilized. They are completely germ-free. There was a best environment which was being provided within the rooms of the OTs. They were equipped with air conditioners, with closed windows, with clean, sterile air, and sterilized instruments, and it was done by the best doctors which are available here in Pakistan, especially in Abbottabad. Along with that, we have also spoken to the patients. The patients were extremely satisfied. They were satisfied psychologically, and they were extremely happy. We have actually asked them and viewed them and asked them their views on how the operations were done, how were they feeling post-operatively, and they have their compliance is very, very great. So they were very, very satisfied. They were feeling much better as compared to before. This free surgical procedures, they have actually helped out the patients in relieving the pain that they were coming at the hospital. Their pain is relieved. They were satisfied. They were extremely happy with this new free surgical procedures. They have benefited thousands of people here. I'm pretty sure thousands or more people will get benefited, because this is the first time, I think, being held in Pakistan that the free facilities are being provided to the people here, and all the surgical procedures are completely free, and the patients were very, very relieved economically as well as psychologically, because economically they didn't have to pay as that much, because some of these surgical procedures, I tell you, they cost about 50,000, 60,000, maybe 100,000. Some of them cost more than 100,000, and they were all done freely, and patients were really, really satisfied. And towards the end of our show, we have also spoken to the manager director, Sir Dr. Asad Khan, and his views on his Shaheen Ajmel Hospital's objectives and services were crystal clear. He provided us with one of the greatest services here at Shaheen Ajmel Hospital. He was one of the administrators who was actually carrying out these services, and we actually shared some of the views that he has provided with us. And I think it was a great response from him. It was a great response from the patients. It's a great response from the administration, as well as the manager director, Dr. Asad Khan, who actually has organized all of this all of this free services which have benefited thousands and thousands of people, and people are very, very happy because of this. We're watching this show on the platform of Hazara.com.pk. This is Umar Amin and cameraman TQ, over and out. Thank you very much.